Hey kids, Mark Miller here, back. Got some power back, ready to get right where we left off. And let's take a look at that. Let me get you the screen so you can see the code there. I was watching Bald Bearded Builders stream for a little bit as well. Guy is always awesome to watch. I like his chill attitude. It kind of goes nicely with complementing my frenzied attitude. I'm just noticing inside. I wonder if I can refresh this. I'm not sure if there's a way to do it. I'm just noticing that I don't have. Since I rated, I am now looking at Bald Bearded Builders chat over here. So let me get my chat up, at least in a different window. And I'll drag this over here so I can watch people in the chat room. Sweet. All right. Okay. All right. A second ago, I was looking at this and I noticed, wait a second. I'm treating this like the item I want to index, but I'm counting through all the players. I think I have a fundamental problem here, and I think that's it right there. I think that's going to fix it, or, well, you know, we'll see. We get a little closer every time. All right, so let's do this. I'm going to refresh. Initialize player data. And I'm not sure if this may not work. Let's see if this text goes away. Because, oh yeah, good, it worked. All right, I've just noticed sometimes when I put my machine to sleep and then come back, sometimes the signal R disconnects and I need to get a reset. Okay, now let's hit the button. I'm gonna hit it now. And let's do, oh, look at that. So we were close. We were close. Okay, let's get this into the mainstream here and we'll start tweaking it. Wasn't bad. Okay, that is a huge relief to me. I am very happy about that. All right, here comes the mainstream. Taking the dragon front overlay, refreshing that. And initializing player data. Yeah, also, you know, sometimes it's one of those things where if you just take time away and you come back a little more refreshed, it's not bad. Okay, I'm gonna hit the button again. I'll do it for Miles this time. Miles. Okay, 2 showed up because in the main state, we still have mine. I wonder if I turn mine off now. Oh, it won't go off. I should have turned it off first, I suppose, before I refresh. All right, a couple things I want to do here. Smoofy says, yeah, I've solved things in my code before. Ralph GT says, how are you? Party doesn't work. Oh no. Let's see if we can fix that before I move any further. I just want to confirm. Oh yeah, party's definitely not working. That could be one of the things that happens during the... All right, interestingly enough though, this is looking like that's still working. I wonder, oh, you know what? Let's try this. Let's try refreshing the drone game and give it another shot. It may be the problem is there and it just seems it needs a refresh. Let's try party now. Maybe I'll try drone instead. Give you guys control. Will drone come out? Nope. Oh wait, I got to do one other thing. Hold on, because did I close it or no? No, I didn't close it. But I'm going to restart this. Okay, let's restart that piece of software. Here it comes. Well, I thought I hit the right button. Let's try it again. Here it comes. There we go. So there's that software starting up. Now, can we try drone? No drone. Hold on. Drone game. Properties. Refresh one more time. And if they're not this, then do I have to come back out? I'm trying to think of what else I can kill. Well, there's one other piece I can take out before we do a full-on restart. Hold on, let me get that second piece of software. It's my overlays right here. Okay. And there we go. That's running. One more time with the refresh on the drone game. And one more time with the drone command. There we go. That means party should work. I'm gonna get the music started. Let's kill my drone. All right, party's up to you, kids. You type in that party now and see if that works for you. That should do it, I think. All right, we need to get the dragons out of the way. That's what we need to do next. And I'm not exactly sure I want to do this. I got a lot of console logs here I can clean up. I don't need these anymore. These were all here to see what was going on, why we weren't sending the data over. Okay, so here, and notice we also don't have a die yet. What's also interesting, oh, that's the starting frame index. No, I want to make that -1. I want the hue shift to be that color right there. Okay, if we add the dragon, we need some way of getting it back, finding it. And I'm thinking about doing this. Data is equal to player ID. That's what I'm thinking about doing. And then here, when it says hide ready to roll dice, then I want to say something like this, well, we've already got it. We're sending in the player ID. I was just going to pass it in. Basically, what we want to do is we want to go to each one of these sprites and look for the one, this dot hide dice for player. No, wait. Hide sprite. That's what I want. Hide ready to roll sprite. Hide sprite by player ID. And I want to pass in the player ID. Actually, I want to pass in the sprites and the player ID. That's the piece of data I need there. And I need that for this. I need it for the other ones as well. I need dark dye. I need the ready to roll light dye. I need the ready to roll, is it dragon hands? So full dye dragon, light and dark dye. That's it, those 4. And then we're going to declare that. And then we're going to go through all the sprites and look for something that matches the player ID. If sprites of I dot data equals player ID, then we got to kill it. I think I'm going to change this to hide dragon, because I want to do 2 different things in the way I hide these. I don't have another one called hide dice. And these 2 here are going to be hide die by player ID. These we're going to drop, and the dragon we're going to, well, at the very least, at least for right now, we can call like fade out now, fade out after, or maybe just fade out now. We'll fade out the dragon right now, and Doesn't it have a delay milliseconds? Fade out time. So we'll say we'll fade out in about 1,000. Okay, let's hide dragon by player ID. And this one is going to be hide die by player ID. And now what I want to do is say, I want to set its expiration date equal to now plus, say, 1,000 seconds. Then I also, because it's a die, I want it to drop. So I want to say this dot velocity y is equal to, let's say, 9.8. No, not velocity, sorry, hold on. Vertical thrust override is equal to 9.8. I think that's going to push it down. I think that's going to work. So it'll push it down, and in a second, it'll clean it up. That's what this is going to do here. So I think that's going to take care of the die. Now, let's add the die and the hands so this whole thing works. Here's the add shifted for the dragon. This is the hue shift right here, by the way. No, yeah, that's it right there. I'm just going to declare a new local called hue shift and set that equal to this. And we've got the hue shift right there. Ready to roll. Let's do the light die. Add shifted. I wonder if I can get to dice layer from here. This shouldn't even be. There's a static method there. Is there or no? I'll stop it like in the next 30 minutes. Okay? I love you too. Kids just got back. That was kind of exciting. Deepwater's here with us. Smoothie says it'd be cool to have it fly away.
Seven, where are you? We need your help.
It's deep with dragons.
Oh, yeah, alright. Here, I am.
I lost power and I just got it back. You know where your mask is, huh?
Oh, it was much better driving in my mask because then you don't smell all those road smells.
That's super cool.
Thanks.
Okay. You look, I'm kind of having a Mad Max Fury Road kind of thing going on right now.
You have no idea what our trip was like.
Okay.
It was a lot of that. I was on a big pole between my car and Melissa and John's car, just swinging back and forth.
Oh, yeah, that's what I expect.
Yeah, I did.
Cool.
Hooked up to those machines.
How are you doing? Yeah?
She wants a hug. Wait.
I got her one already. She got one. She's coming in again. Kids, no, give me a sincere hug. You guys are so good.
I don't know what you're doing with these guys here.
I just started. Everybody just came in. Give me like 30 minutes at least, and I'll go.
I have to get the car back.
You can't do it? You can't wait 30?
Well, do you want to be charged another day?
No? Is it late?
It's gonna be.
Guys, I'm so sorry to do this to you
No,
again
you can do it.
today.
I'll do the food.
You sure? No, you can't because I got to do it. All right, I'm going to go because you can't drive the car by yourself, hon. All right, guys. So, all right, we'll do it. I'll see you tomorrow. That's what we'll do. That was like a little too crazy. I'll go raid Bald Bearded Builder a second time today. All right, hold on a second. Let me get that up and go on. right, kids. See you later. Tell Bald Bearded Builder I said hi again. Okay.